Hello everyone, this is the presentation of the project 2 for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. Now, in this project, I made a web application called Auction. Like the name goes, Auction is a web application for listing items that you want to auction. Now, this is the active listings page. In the active listings page, you get to see all the articles or items that are currently active on this web application, and on clicking any of the items you get to see more about the items. Now when you're a user and you're not signed in and you want to bid on a listing, you'll be forced to sign in. So let's sign in. So go do something. Let's start by creating a new listing. Let me copy the image URL for this listing, paste it, copy the description, paste it, and let's price it at $2 and put it under the art category. Now save. Alright, so in a listing we can add a listing to the watch list. And one amazing thing about this web application that I created is that as a creator of a listing, you cannot bid on your listing. The listing can only be bid on by people that want the products, not you that created it. So let's log out and use another account so we can bid on that listing. Now this is the listing that I just created. Okay, let me bid. Now when you bid a price that is lower than the current price, you'll be issued an error message telling you that you have to bid higher than the current price, which of course makes sense. So let's bid higher than the current price. Now the bid has been successfully been made with a message being delivered right here. And there is a functionality for adding comments. Now you can see here that the comment has been added successfully. Now let's check out the watch list page. In the watch list page, you get to see all the listings that was added into the watch list by the user. Now we don't just see the listings here, but we also get to see if a listing is active or if the listing has been removed or closed. Now as a user, if you're the highest bidder at the moment, and when you check out your wish list, you get to see that you're winning this auction, showing that you're the highest bidder at the moment. And if you an auction is closed and you're not the winner of the auction, you get to see the name of the user that won the auction. And you can also choose to remove an auction from the watch list, and it will be done. Now let's check out the categories page. In the categories page, we get to see the different categories that are available on the web application, and on clicking any of the categories, you get to see all the listings that are under the category. Now when we click an empty category, we get this message. So let's check out the site administration. Let's log in with a super user account. Now, with the site administration, we can get to see the different users in the web application, the different listings that have been made, the comments, the category, and the bids that have been made so far. So we can choose to add a new category here. Let me add a category. Add a category. Save. Now this category has been saved. If you go back to web application and check your categories, now you can see that pet has been added. So this is all for the presentation for my project. Thank you all for watching.